Blog titles. How to write killer blog titles. When it comes to getting people to read your blog posts, your blog titles are what grabs their attention in the first place. It doesn't matter how great and amazing your topic is to the reader if you don't motivate them to actually read what you are talking about. Here are 3 major title types that will grab a reader's interest. Blog headlines. As lists, people love lists. No, they adore lists. Top 10 lists, 5 reasons to lists, 3 ways to lists, and more are virtually guaranteed to draw readers to your blog post. Did you notice that numbers instead of words were used? That is an extremely important part of it. Numbers stand out from text and convey the same idea as their text version more quickly. It is also a good idea to include an extreme adjective right after the number. Once the number has the reader's attention, an adjective such as crucial, killer, and mind-blowing builds excitement for the reader. A great example of this kind of title is 3 insane ways to build your credit. How to end news flash blog entries. Instructional blog entries also are a surefire way to get people reading. A primary reason people read blogs is to learn something, and having how to in your title clearly marks it as an educational post. Of course, you will have to deliver on that promise, and if possible, you should tell something that no one else has thought of. News titles are also highly prized. You may have seen many blog posts along the lines of don't until you've read this report or breaking news, dot. Simply put, thousands of people want to be in on the latest developments in your industry, and you can be their source of information. Keyword placement in your title. Along with using eye-catching title strategies like this, you also want to have your blog post be found. This is where knowing how to use keywords comes into play. The first part is to find out which keywords to use. You have to not only know what readers are looking for, but also the way they are looking for it. Knowing and using the top spelling variations, modifiers, and so on can take you much further than arbitrarily using a particular keyword. Placement in the title is also crucial. The closer to the beginning of the title the keyword is, the more likely it will get a higher rank in the search engines. Of course, it is not always possible or even desirable to constantly put your keywords at the beginning. Toward the middle works just fine, and you definitely want to avoid putting them at the end of your title. Keeping these concepts in mind when you develop your blog titles will seriously beef up your readership. The more traffic you get, the more love you get from the search engines, and the more traffic you will get from that. Soon enough, you will be a blogging rock star.